Good morning. If you're watching this, happy afternoon, whatever, good night. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy Jean and I make lifestyle and fashion related content. Today I wanted to film the Target Designer Collection collaboration try on haul thing. Yeah, so before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You know, give your girl some love before we get into this. And also check me out on Instagram. That's where I post that's where I post my pictures and just anything like fashion, inspo, all that jazz. So yeah, let's get right into this video. Okay, so the first dress we're going to get into is this dress right here. This is from the designer Alexis. This dress is super cute and fun. I love it. I actually finally found a pin to cover up my bra that you guys saw, my strapless bra. But I love how cute and feminine this dress is and very perfect for the summer. Like, look at these sleeves. It has like the pleated sleeves as well as the bottom part has a pleated design. I'll leave you guys a close-up of all of this. So the next dress that I want to try on from the Alexis collection is this dress. It's really pretty. I love this color. This is a red, and on the tag it just has like information about the designer. So this is the dress. I thought it was super cute. It does give me like a little Cuban flair, just because of like the silhouette and like the designs, the sleeves, the colors that she chose. And I'm about to show you guys how this looks. Guys, here's the second dress and I'm loving this. This color on my skin is absolutely gorgeous, and just the design on here is really giving me such a like feminine and almost chic look. This is perfect. I paired it just with some sandals. It's on my feet. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I absolutely love this dress. It goes up to my feet pretty much. Just like pretty much my ankles. It's up to my ankles, and I think it's really pretty. Like, Alexis, girl, you did your thing. Like, excuse me, do you know who I am? Like, sis. And I'm pretty sure I got a medium in all the dresses. I'll put more details on the description box down below, but this one itself is a medium and the one I tried on before is a medium. But look at this, cute. So the next dress that I'm about to try on is this green dress. I love this color. One, green is the color, seems like, for 2021, especially like sage. I mean, you have like a little bit of hints of sage right here, but this is more of like a mint green, I guess, for me, and everything else is just a pretty dark green. I love how it flows at the bottom and the bows on the side, on the top. So this is the next dress. Moving on to the next dress, we have me. This dress is so pretty. Like, I love this color, and it's just like, look like new. Need I say more? Like, look at this. It's so lightweight, and I love how when I move it, I do have a little bit of breeze. So during the summertime, even if I get a little bit too hot, you know, just start shaking it up and I get some air. You know, before, when I was filming this video, I was feeling like a little self-conscious because I know that I gained a little bit of weight. But you know what, baby, we are living in ourselves. Like, we're supposed to love ourselves wherever we're at, and you know, I'm doing just that. I may lose some more weight and I might gain some more, but no matter where I'm at, I'm going to love this body and appreciate it, because you know, God gave it to me, and that's what we gotta do. This is get happy. This was the last dress from the Alexis collection. We're now moving on to RIXO. I believe that's how you pronounce it, R-I-X-O. Pretty sure it's like RIXO. Let's start with this pretty number. This is the dress right here. I love the patchwork on it. It's super cute and seems super fun for this season. This is super cute and I can't wait to put this on. Guys, this next dress, like, get into this patchwork and colors. It's really giving me summertime vibes. I absolutely love it. Oh, it's so soft and comfortable. I can't wait to be outside and wearing this. And it comes up just lower, a little bit lower than my knees. And I'm about 5'2", so you know we showing legs this summer. This is so cute. Let me just pose for y'all. Strap. Bam, 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 bam. I'm not ridiculous, but yeah, this is pretty. You like this one? You know, I hide my little stomach a little bit. It's not too tight. You know, it's fitted, but it's good. It's cute. This is also in a size medium. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I got everything in a size medium, hopefully. And you know, so far they all fit. So even though I gained a little weight, you know, I'm still wearing my size. I'm happy. It's okay. RIXO, I'm not really understanding this. Like, this dress is a little tight for a size 10. I don't know if this dress runs like smaller than the other ones, because the other ones I got a medium, and mediums tend to be like 8 to 10, so between those two sizes. And this one's a 10, but it's still, as you can see, I can't really finish zipping it up all the way. And I mean, the back part, I can't reach the back of my to attach it, but it is backless. And then you have these two things, a button on the top to button it, but I mean, I can't reach it. This dress would be super cute if it fit me. I guess if I wanted to fit this dress, I would have to go up a size, but I mean, it's cute. I don't know if, I feel like this kind of runs a little small considering it's a 10, and it's still pretty tight, and the other dresses were all mediums, 8 to 10. And those fit fine, if not like a little loose, or maybe it's just a designer, I'm not sure. But this one is just a little small for me, but here's how it looks. I do love the colors and this floral print. I think it's really, really pretty. I would just say maybe you have to size up, maybe twice, but just size up because it's a little tight, especially for me around my arms, but it is a really pretty dress. The last dress that I will be trying on is this dress. It's also from RIXO, and this one is in a size 10, so I'm wondering if it will fit me. It should, because it seems like there is a lot of stretch within the dress, and there's no zippers in it, so I don't have to zip myself up. So yeah, hopefully this one fits, and this is the last dress. So guys, here is the last and final dress. This dress is so cute. Like, this I got in a size 10, which also fits me very well. I could have went down a size, but I'm actually comfortable with this 10. I love my clothes to have a little like wiggle room in it. I love this floral detailing on the top and the bottom, but I also like the contrast between the colors. I think it really brings, what is the word? Goodness, it like enhances my top part, you know, which I don't mind doing. And then because the bottom part is a little bit darker, it kind of hides with my tummy a little bit, so I like that. You know, we're mad at that. Here it is. The sleeves are really comfortable. They do have this elastic band around the sleeve and the top part, which allows you to just adjust it if you want to wear it over, not over the shoulder, but like off the shoulder. You could do it this way, or you can keep it on your shoulder, which either way I think it's a super cute. Like, all of these dresses were perfect for the summer because they're all lightweight, breathable, and you won't get too hot in the dresses, which is top for me. Like, I need something that is super cute, lightweight, and won't make me hot. But yeah, here they are. So guys, you guys have reached the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for sticking to the end part. Let me know in the comment sections which dress you liked out of the 6. I mean, hopefully I don't go for the 5th one, because that one, it was cute, but it just didn't fit me. But let me know which one you guys like the most, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and see you guys next week. My goal this year is really to be consistent. I mean, I say that all the time, but you know, I have a plan in effect, so I'm hoping that, you know, that'll work. Fingers crossed. But yeah, you know, check me out on social media. I will link all my social media links on down below in the description box, as well as links to all these dresses. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you next time. Ciao.